It's 9 a.m. on a Monday, with your biggest client being furious because their equipment broke down and their annual service was due 2 weeks ago. Manual tracking just simply failed you. Now imagine this instead. You open MAPOG and your entire service network is mapped out seamlessly on autopilot. Zero missed visits, zero chaos, just instant visual control. With MAPOG's field sales and services, draw custom zones for field reps, cut wasted driving time, and get real-time visit updates. In MAPOG, AMC module acts as your central command center for all recurring contracts. But here's the catch. MAPOG also lets you add new maintenance contracts by clicking on the New AMC button in order to log a fresh contract. You get the freedom of choosing the business site, the start date, and lifespan of your contracts as well. Annual maintenance contracts are the lifeblood of service businesses, guaranteeing recurring visits to service equipment, inspect sites, and keep machinery running smoothly. Historically, managers track these recurring visits on static spreadsheets, calendar reminders, or a separate ERP software. Now the problem with this approach is that spreadsheets don't show geography. You can see when a visit is due, but not where it is relative to other clients. Managers waste hours manually grouping appointments, technicians spend half their day stuck in traffic, and overdue contracts silently slip through the cracks until a furious client calls. MAPOG replaces these static lists with a live, intelligent geographic workspace. Whenever a new AMC deal is closed, you simply log the contract inside MAPOG, and it automatically projects and generates the recurring schedule across the contract lifespan. Instead of rows in a table, every client becomes an interactive pin on your map. The central dashboard automatically color codes your accounts. Overdue visits highlight instantly, and completed tasks turn green in real time. When your AMC operations shift from chaotic firefighting to visual, map-based automation, the impact on your business is immediate. Delivering reliable, on-time service builds deep client loyalty, making contract renewals practically automatic. Stop letting scattered spreadsheets dictate your field service schedule. Put your AMC visits on autopilot, empower your field team, and keep every single customer contract locked in with MAPOG. If you need assistance with CCTV installation workflows, camera plan quotations, maintenance contracts, and renewals, reach out to the team anytime at support@mapog.com.